Nereid, one of Neptune's moons, stands out as one of the most peculiar and enigmatic celestial bodies in the solar system. Discovered in 1949 by the American astronomer Gerard Kuiper, Nereid is the third largest moon of Neptune, yet it is shrouded in mystery due to its unusual orbital characteristics and composition. Despite being relatively small compared to other moons of Neptune, Nereid has attracted significant interest from scientists who continue to explore its origins and its potential role in the history of the outer solar system. Nereid's most striking feature is its highly irregular orbit. Unlike most moons in the solar system, which have nearly circular orbits, Nereid follows an eccentric path around Neptune. Its orbit is highly elliptical, with a range that varies dramatically, bringing it as close as 1.35 million kilometers to Neptune and as far as 9.65 million kilometers. This elongated orbit makes Nereid's motion around Neptune one of the most eccentric orbits of any moon in the solar system, which raises intriguing questions about its origin. The unusual orbit of Nereid suggests that it may have been captured by Neptune's gravity rather than forming alongside the planet. One hypothesis is that Nereid was originally part of the Kuiper belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, and was later pulled into orbit around the planet. Another possibility is that it may have once been part of a larger moon or satellite that was shattered by a collision with another object, causing it to break apart into smaller fragments. This capture scenario is supported by Nereid's irregular orbit and its low inclination relative to Neptune's equator, which also suggests it was not originally formed in place. Nereid is a relatively small moon with a diameter of approximately 340 kilometers, 210 miles, making it one of the smaller moons in Neptune's system. Its surface is composed primarily of ice, and scientists believe that it may be a mix of water ice and other volatile materials. The surface of Nereid is heavily cratered, indicating a history of impact events, and the moon's appearance is marked by an icy, rocky terrain. However, there has been little direct exploration of Nereid, as the Voyager 2 spacecraft's flyby of Neptune in 1989 did not capture detailed images of the moon. As a result, much of what we know about Nereid is based on indirect observations, including its orbit and its faint reflection of sunlight. Despite being a relatively small and distant moon, Nereid's characteristics make it an important object of study. Scientists are particularly interested in its orbital eccentricity, as it may provide clues about the gravitational interactions between Neptune and its moons. The moon's eccentric orbit may also offer insights into the processes of capture and the dynamics of the outer solar system, especially in relation to Neptune's other moons, such as Triton, which also has a unique history and orbit. One of the most intriguing aspects of Nereid is its possible connection to Neptune's moon system as a whole. Given its eccentric orbit and potential history of capture, Nereid could provide valuable information about the early solar system and the processes that shaped the formation of Neptune's satellite system. If further exploration of Nereid is undertaken, scientists hope to learn more about its surface composition, its geological history, and its potential interactions with Neptune's gravitational field. While Nereid remains one of Neptune's lesser-known moons, its peculiar orbit and icy surface make it a subject of great interest in planetary science. Future missions to Neptune or its moons could potentially reveal more about this enigmatic moon and its place in the broader context of the solar system's evolution.